just how you want it.
So let's go ahead and start with this gym. So this gym is actually pretty decent for the size. It's not an overly stimulating gym, but it has everything that you need. And then we come into this area where you can have your guests, you can sit down. Very aesthetically pleasing for my girls, very mindful, very demure. Y'all know I had to squeeze that in here. But if you check out this space, you can do a lot of content here. If you're having a game night, they do have the billers. You can watch movies. It is an open space. You don't have to reserve it for a specific time. So always make sure that you guys are taking advantages of the amenities that come with these places. And again, very lovely space here. Next up, we are going to, it's just another view of the same space, actually. Let me go ahead and, y'all, I was a little discombobulated with this video, but as y'all can see, it can serve as a really good movie night. And then you come to these work desks. If you're a work from home girly like myself, they have it where you can study for school, you can work from home, you can rent the offices out, or you can just reserve them as well. Then you come out to this deck. I'm not gonna lie, during the summertime, I know it's lit out here. I just know it's pure fun. But there's a very nice, gorgeous outdoor area with a very nice view. I just like those chairs. Let's not get in that. And then there's a grill area with the pool. It's going to go really fast because it was a little bit cold that day. But an amazing area to do some grilling and some pool time. So, this unit here. Let's get into it. So, I believe this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. That's the security system at the front door. As you walk in, it is an open concept. So here we do have the range and then the hood vent there. Now, this range has a Wi-Fi button. I have no clue what that does. But if any of y'all got a Wi-Fi button on your range, please comment below and let me know how you like it. And then they have this wine cellar area here. My wine girlies, we know we're going to use it for that. Or, I mean, put the kids some juice in there. Got this nice stainless steel dishwasher. This sink is deep. I think I come back to this sink. Yes, I did. But this sink, I'm in love. I like it. And you can actually get the boards where you can kind of slide it to the side if you want. It has the bottom freezer with a double door refrigerator. I do like how the cabinets kind of blend in, and then they give you like a pantry, a linen space for your laundry area. All of the laundry in these units are stackable units, so they all are stackables. They're not top load. So just keep that in mind as you maybe look at units on the website or whatever. This is going to be your living room. If I'm not mistaken, they are 13-foot ceilings in these units. I do like this model unit, the way that they have it decorated. But again, if you want a TV, you can replace that mirror over there, or you can have it as they do. Then you're going to come into the master suite. I do love that they do have floor-to-ceiling windows, but it's not overwhelming. And you can fit a king-size beds in these units. They did have king-size there. And we're going to go into the bathroom. Now, the bathroom is one of my favorite parts. 2 mirrors with the double vanity. Plenty of cabinet space for both of you. It has a stand-in shower. And then there's a separate tub area. I like this tub, especially for the price of the unit. I do feel like the bathroom makes sense. Just your standard toilet there, but you do have space above it. So not only do you have your separate spaces on the double vanity, you also have space above the toilet for additional items. And then you go into your closet. So your closet is past the bathroom. That's the one thing I'm a little bit iffy about, but there's plenty of space. I do like how it's not those, I gotta get the name of it, but the the brackets in the closet. I like that they have actual spaces, and it's like a built-in personalized closet. Really gives it that luxury feel. So I will say that this does really do give off a luxury apartment. It doesn't just say luxury, it screams it with the units as well. Even the ones that are not for show, they even give you that luxury feel when you come in. So over here you have a closet, a linen closet there, and then it's next to your guest room, or you can call it your second bedroom. They're both about the same size, and if you can go up, like if you can get a ladder, you actually have a lot of space in that closet, by the way. But both of these rooms are about the same size. I do want to point that out. So it's kind of like you have a master, but I mean, if you're fighting over rooms, they're about the same size with really high ceilings. I love those. And then you go into the bathroom. Again, this bathroom has a double vanity. And also it just has the walk-in shower itself. So it does not have that tub feature that we saw, but it does have a bench, which I love because I'm lazy, I'll be honest. And then again, we see that space above the toilet for additional space. And then you walk in, and again, it has that nice luxury closet feel. Now, I will say that this closet is just a smidge smaller than the first closet that we saw. Still the same construction. It's just that right side over there is a bit smaller than the other one. But outside of the tub and the closet space, they're pretty identical. And you still get your big window and still have your space. So then you walk back out, and that is your unit. It's very good if you're doing like a roommate style. I will notate the price on the page. Alrighty, so now we're in our next unit. So with this unit here, it does have a separate office space there where you can kind of close it if you work from home. Now, the kitchen in this unit, I absolutely adore. Amazing kitchen. It is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, or 1.5. They call it a den area. I will notate the floor plan if I can remember that one there. But the closet space on this 1 bedroom, by all means, love. This is luxury. Okay. So you do have that space, and then you walk into this room. Now, this is not your typical orthodox square room. It does have a separate space over there to the corner, and then it does mirror a square. I'm sorry, hopefully I can get that view for you. Still has a double vanity, so if there are 2 of you and you're just doing a 1 bedroom, you still have 2 sides. It does have, again, that tub and that shower. So you still get that same luxury feel. And actually, this shower has a bench in it. However, you don't have that space above the toilet. So keep that in mind. So you kind of do have that square, but then you have another space off to the side. Now, this portion was in a different unit. It's still a 1 bedroom. Again, I work from home. So yes, I took a look at some of their office spaces that they may have had. But the range, I love how it sits in, and then you have that cabinet space. Still gives you your wine cellar, still those deep sinks. And when you look at this one, so they do have both units. Now, this one does have a square room feel to it. So it's the typical square that you would see. I love that window, by the way. I'll be honest about that. And again, you still get your double vanities. I don't think I saw a unit there that did not have a double vanity. But I love the standalone tub. That tub screams, I live a luxurious life. And by all means, this is within, I think all of these units, if I'm not mistaken, I'll go back and look on the website, are under $4,000. Again, love the built-in closet, so you don't have to change up the closets or anything. I believe you can make movable shelves, and this one does have that space above the toilet. So if you are looking for that additional space, I will link the floor plans that I did look at on the units. But the 2 1 bedrooms with the dens that I showed, they both have that separate space. So if you are a work from home girly and you need that office space, please go back and look at those. And again, I'll link those below. They have a ton of floor plans, way more than just the 3 that I've shown. So please check out their website. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. And this is another review with Leah. This is 99 West Paces Ferry. I would like to thank my tour guide for the amazing tour and the amazing information that she gave. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, please voice them down below in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next